Welcome back to English Power Hour. Hi, my name is Shelley, and today we are going to learn about the difference between to, and to. So let's get right to it. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use to, and to, so you can use them easily and fluently. To, T-O, is one of the most common prepositions in English with several meanings. And to, T-O, is also part of an infinitive form of the verb. For example, to play, to walk, to run, etc. Infinitives can be combined with other words such as hope, arrange, and want. For example, I hope to see you next week for your English lesson. Or, Susan arranged to have her brother picked up at the airport. Or, my sister wants to help me organize a surprise party. The preposition to, to, is also used when indicating that there is a movement from one place to another. In other words, the preposition to, can be used with verbs such as drive, walk, go, hike, fly, and sail, and many others too. For example, I walked to the restaurant for dinner last night. Or, we are flying to Italy next year for our summer vacation. The preposition to, can also be used to refer to time in the same sense as the time expressions till and until. For example, Chris worked to, or until, or till 5 and then left. Or, I have to wait to, or until, or till the end of the year to receive my bonus. To, too, is an adverb, but it is a helpful little word, but it's not a preposition like to, as in to. It does not have as many meanings also. It can be used instead of in addition, also, or as well. For example, Molly, too, too, studies English and French. Or, Alex sent his family Christmas gifts and Christmas cards too, too. You can also use it for other things too, too, like when you want to indicate excessiveness. Or, also, some speakers like to use them in the meaning of very. For example, the sauna is way too hot for me, too. Or, she is way too funny, too. Now, we're going to move on to the easy one, to, two. To, two, is an adjective or a noun, and it refers to the number after 1 and before 3. For example, Brian saw 2 cars, two. In this sentence, to, two, is describing how many cars there are. It is functioning in this sentence as an adjective. Or, Tyson was still hungry after lunch, so he snacked on 2 apples, two. So in this sentence, to, two, is describing how many apples Tyson ate after lunch. Well, my awesome students, I hope that I've made it easy for you to understand how to use to, and to in this video. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I really do appreciate it from you. So have a great evening. Ciao, ciao, my friends. See you in the next lesson. Mwah. Bye.